Hello friends, welcome to Ujjwal Cooking Show. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please click the red subscribe button below for subscribing the channel and bell icon for further notifications. Let's do today Rava dosa, a restaurant style one, which is a bigger dosa and crispy dosa. This dosa doesn't need any fermentation. It means like you don't have to wait and soak the dal overnight and start doing the dosa. We'll see a regular dosa too how in this video. Let's see what are the ingredients to make this crispy dosa. First, I'm going to take in a small mixie jar, I'm going to crush some green chilies and ginger. If kids are having this, you can avoid green chilies. In a mixing bowl, I am taking the fine suji, that is the chiroti rava, 1 cup. Then I am going to take 1 cup of rice flour. Let's give it a quick mix. See the video till the end to see how the crispy dosas are made. I am putting here some water to make the batter. The batter consistency is very important in this dosa. Now let's allow it to rest for half an hour to 1 hour. Now the batter gets thick. So now let's put some more water. Let's put the ingredients, other ingredients or the masalas or the spices inside the batter now. I am putting here jeera powder, half teaspoon. Then the grinded mix which we had grinded before. If jeera powder is not ready, you can grind it with that mix itself. Now I am putting salt and give it a mix. Now I have put some turmeric powder, then finely chopped onion. I have taken here 1 small onion, but see to it that it is finely chopped. Now see the consistency. Now this consistency also is very thick, so go on putting the water. It should be very, see, the consistency is very flowy. Rava dosa needs this consistency. When you are putting the dosa, remove only the upper water type of batter and put. I am taking it here a griddle, a electric griddle, where I have put oil. Now I am spreading the batter. This is the way you should spread the batter. You cannot put it like in the normal dosa where you are going to spread the batter. It doesn't spread. You have to just go on putting on the tawa. Now after 1 minute, I am putting some oil. You can put oil or ghee or even coconut oil, tastes very nice for this. After 2 minutes, it becomes golden in color everywhere. Just see. Now let's remove the dosa. The dosas are ready now. See how crispy it is. Thin, crispy dosas. Let me take it out in a plate. See, the dosa is ready now. The restaurant style dosa. Serve this hot with the chutney, coconut chutney and sagu. The vegetable sagu tastes very nice with this rava dosa. Let's garnish this dosa with coriander and some freshly grated coconut. It looks amazing to see and tasty as well. Now let's do it on the normal dosa tawa as well. In this dosa you have to put oil first, not like the normal regular dosa, and just stir the batter and take from the top the batter and spread it all over. And fill the gaps wherever needed. Then after 1 minute, put some ghee or oil. I am putting here some ghee for this dosa. After 2 minutes, it's all everywhere golden in color, and you can see it's ready to remove the dosa from the tawa. So let's take out the dosa on the plate. Our round crispy onion rava dosa is also ready. Enjoy this with your family and friends. Thank you.